Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on your phone with a keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need to connect your peripherals. For wireless devices, simply pair them via Bluetooth in your phone settings. If you prefer wired, use a USB on-the-go adapter to plug your keyboard and mouse into your phone's charging port. Make sure your phone has enough battery for extended play. Once your devices are connected, open the Roblox app. Navigate to the in-game settings, usually found by tapping the Roblox icon during gameplay. Here, you can fine-tune your control scheme. Adjust mouse sensitivity to your preference and remap keyboard keys for movement, jumping, and actions. Experiment with different settings to find what feels most comfortable for you. Playing Roblox with a keyboard and mouse on your phone offers a significant advantage. Use your keyboard for precise character movement, allowing for quick strafing and jumping. The mouse provides superior camera control, making it easier to look around and aim accurately. Practice in a less competitive game mode first to get accustomed to the new control scheme. This setup can greatly enhance your mobile gaming. If you encounter any issues, first verify that your phone supports the connected devices. Sometimes, a simple restart of your phone and peripherals can resolve connection problems. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. For the best performance, keep your phone charged and close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Enjoy your enhanced Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.